Hey you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is going to be another exciting video. I'm going to be unboxing my new laptop. So I decided to get the new or latest MacBook Pro 13-inch, and that is what we're going to be unboxing today. So now there's a little story behind this laptop. So when it first came, it did not have a box. It just came in a bubble wrap package, and I was already skeptical about that because I already know how packages are handled, and for a laptop to be packed in just a bubble wrap, I had my doubts about it, and I was a little afraid that the laptop would be damaged. So I opened it. It arrived December 24th, and then January 24th is when I decided to open it, because that's when I had free time to open the laptop. So when I opened it, it had some dents in it, so I will be inserting some pictures of some dents that you'll be able to see, and the seal wrap on the laptop was almost coming out. So I'm very particular with packages and how they're packed. I'm very keen on that. So I took the laptop back to Best Buy, and the most shocking thing is everybody was surprised that a laptop was delivered to me without a box. One of the workers there actually informed me that it didn't matter how little or how small a package was, they always sent packages in a box. So I kind of felt good about that, and I knew that my chances of getting another laptop were really high, so they decided to order me a new one and gave me a pickup date, and February 3rd I decided to go and pick it up because that was my pickup date. So we're going to get into this video and see what this laptop comes with. So without further ado, and there it is. It looks so beautiful. I cannot wait to just take it out. So there's your laptop. And then of course it comes with the charger. There's the cord, the USB cord, and it comes with a little booklet. And the booklet just has some Apple stickers and the manual. And then you have the charging block. So now we're just going to take it out of its wrap and just take a look at the entire laptop and just take a closer look to see if there are any scratches on the laptop or not. Even though it comes from Apple, there are some times that you might get such laptops sent to you. So you have to make sure you look around to make sure everything is perfectly fine. So the back is fine, and now we're going to look at the front as well and look for any scratches. We're going to look at the sides as well to just make sure that the laptop is really in its newest form. So now that everything on the outside looks great and in perfect shape, we're going to go ahead and turn on the laptop. So now we're just going to go ahead and set the laptop up and just do the basics. So it's going to ask you for the language, and of course you're going to choose the language of your choice, and you're going to select your country, and then it's going to ask you to connect to a Wi-Fi, and then all the other basic questions, your time zone. So I'm just quickly going through this to show you guys how I set it up. I was not personalizing the laptop. I was just doing the general kind of setting up so that you guys can just fully see it once I've set it up. And so once that's done, it's going to take us to Siri. So now I'm just setting up Siri. It's giving me instructions on what to do and what to say so that I can set up the Siri feature on there. And now Siri is done. We're going to go over to the fingerprint. So I'm just setting up my fingerprint for me to be able to unlock my laptop. Like when I leave it up for like a few minutes and it closes, I don't have to log back in. I can just use my fingerprint feature to unlock the laptop. And we're finally in. The laptop has been fully set up. And now I'm just showing you guys the touch bar feature right there, which I feel is really cool and I really like. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. For me, it is goodbye and see you in my next one.